All right, YouTube, hey, Josh here at Lumber Company. Check out this project right here. This is actually a 30 by 60, 13 feet 6 inch here at the eave. And also getting set up here, we got to do the overhead doors as well. But 4 12 by 12 overhead doors that are going to be installed. All right, so to kind of give you the backdrop, the backstory, the setup on this one right here. This one's actually out here in Seneca County, Ohio, but 30 by 60, 13 feet 6 inches. And to kind of give you an idea, actually this sidewall steel, and you probably can see we actually have to do the outside corner trim there. But the outside, actually the sidewall steel, that's actually a 26 gauge. And the roof on that is actually a 29 gauge. But you can see right there, those overhead doors that are going to be installed, they're going to be 4 12 by 12. All right. And let me kind of give you an idea as I walk around here. Again, like I said, 26 gauge on the sidewall steel. Now this is going to be actually a quasi commercial storage building. All right, but you can see their traditional 1 foot overhang. But again, 30 by 60, 13 feet 6 inches there at the eave. And we got to come back and probably see we got to touch up those outside corners. All right, so if you've been following along here, I highlight, profile a number of different buildings there. But to kind of give you an idea there, you can see drip stop on this one. Again, it's this setup here. This is a light commercial, all right, storage building. Not a huge building, as you probably can see here. But you can see drip stop comes pre-assembled, pre-applied to the underneath of the metal there. All right, again, it has a 20-year warranty on that. It serves as a vapor barrier, all right. You can see 4 foot on center truss spacing as well. And again, we notched that, actually, you can see on that a 2 by 10, or actually 2 by 12 yellow pine double top header there. And you can see on this building right here, actually we utilize concrete perma columns. So if you've been following these videos, we utilize a number of different posts in our buildings. You know, 4 by 6, 6 by 6, 3 ply, 4 ply, concrete perma columns, wet set brackets. But you can see right here, concrete perma columns. And let me get you a little closer so you can see this. But again, this is state of Ohio, so we go down 54 inches and we set it on a concrete cookie. And you can see 4-1 stone. All right, we backfill that light stone right there. All right, so you can see a concrete perma column, and you can see and these concrete perma columns, actually, they can come in depending on the size of the job. But you can see this one right here, this actually is a 3 ply. That's bolted on top of that right there, but actually that can come in a 4 ply as well. You can see how those brackets are anchored there. Again, that's southern yellow pine, glued, finger jointed, laminated together. See, that's got the different pressure points on there. But you can see it's concrete at the bottom. So, you know, a little bit more cost effective than, you know, setting a concrete foundation. All right, so it serves a purpose there if you're looking for concrete, concerned about post rot. All right, so that kind of gives you an idea here. So fairly short video here, but again, like I always say, comments always welcome. To the next one, keep it locked, keep it loaded right here, and then let me kind of give you a diagonal view of this building, and then we'll wrap it up. All right, so the next one, keep it locked, keep it loaded right here, Attica Lumber, and then atticalumber.com.